Okay. Let me just minimize that. Attach the script onto the main player. So system upgrade. Where are you? There we are. Okay. First, I'm going to do the scope. So in the normal one, I have my scope texture. So I'm going to look for it. Scope. There we are. Scope normal. And you also want a hover texture. So when you hover over it, it changes colors just to let the player know what they're selecting. So scope. I have my hover texture. I'm just going to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to give some settings to the scope rect. So 10 by 10 by 10 by 10. Save that. Run Unity. So you can see the scopes there. When the mouse moves over it, it changes colors. That lets the player know what they're selecting, okay? So let's do the next one. So minimize scope style, open up attack style. Normal, it's gonna be, what the hell did I call mine? So let me see, attack. Yeah, it is. So normal, and then you want hover. Save that. Give me one second, let me minimize this. There we are. And again, set attack to 10 by 10 by 10. The next one, speed. Let me just do all that right now. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, speed, normal, hover. What did I call that one? Speed. Let me just look in the folder. I'm gonna waste time scrolling down looking for it. GUI for update. Stamina, that's what I called it. Stamina normal. Stamina hover. There we are. Speed is done. And the last one is a pistol sight. So, well, it's not a pistol, it's a machine gun. So, normal hover. Let's put the sight. That's the hover one down there. And where's the sight one? There we are. So save this, and they're all going to be positioned on top of each other. Okay, now we're going to start sorting these out. Alright, click on the main player. Now if you don't have an animation, I suggest you just make a rough one in Unity. And I'm going to set this guy's animation to upgrade mode. Where is it? Upgrade mode. Save this. Save. Play Unity. Yeah, okay. So now he's got the upgrade mode ready, so I can start positioning the GUIs. So, main camera. Minimize the styles. Okay, the first one is scope. I want that to be over here. So I'm going to drag that along. Bring it down a bit. And I'm going to stretch it out. That's about right, yeah. That's fine. Now you may be thinking, okay, they're a bit straight yet, but don't worry. In the future tutorial, what I'll do is I'll go through GUI.matrix. That allows us to give positioning to our GUI, so you can rotate it in the Y or X. That makes everything look a bit more awesome, if you like to say. So that's that one done. The next one is speed. Now speed is this finger, so speed is done. Next one is sight. Laser sight's going to be down here, so that's okay. Just position it perfectly. Okay, there we are. And the last one is melee. Where is it? There it is, attack, and that's underneath the speed one. And that'll be fine, just leave that there, okay. Now we're going to start taking all these positions down, and we're going to place them back in afterwards. So let's clean it up a bit. Whatever you do, do not stop your game. You're going to lose all your positioning otherwise. Leave it running. Don't even mess with it. Okay, don't stop the game. Open a notepad if you have one. You all shouldn't, obviously. And just start taking the values down. So 1.31. Just do the order it is, so you just keep writing down afterwards the way it was. 2.22. 4.66. 8.16. 3.33, 7.85, 5.1, 11.7, 4.14, 8.02, 5.36, 9.51, 2.95, 1.44, 5.47, 6.2. Got all my values down. You can stop this. Set them up now. So just drag Unity to the side as well so I can see them. 1.31. Don't hit enter. If you enter something, just tab it along. We'll go to the next one. 2.22, tab 4.66, tab 8.16, tab 3.33, tab 7.85. That's 5.285, tab 5.1, tab 11.7. 4.14, 8.02, 5.36, 9.51, 2.95 1.44 547.62. Sweet. I am gonna save this just to be on the safe side. Okay, back to where we were. Run the game. Good, they're all where they belong. Now, since we got that sorted, we don't want it to appear when the game is running, because at the moment, if I just change the animation to something else, like idle, you can see it will be always there. We gotta prevent that from happening now, okay? Back into Unity. We're gonna make a variable called show upgrade. So for show upgrade, and it's gonna be a type boolean, and it's gonna be equals to false. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in on top of all of these. I'm gonna say if open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, close the curly brace underneath all the GUIs, and say if that variable is true, then show these. So show upgrade equals true, then show these. Let's just see if that works. Okay. So it's down there. At the moment it's false, so when we run the game it shouldn't show it at all. But when it's ticked, they show. Okay? Good. The next one, we're gonna start calling the animation. And I'm gonna use a U for upgrade. So if open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, close curly brace, input dot get key, open bracket, key code dot U, close bracket. If we press that, we want that to become true. But I'm going to show you what's wrong with this. If you go back into Unity, just tell it to be true when you click the U button, okay? Watch what happens. When I press U, they're before the animation. And I didn't call it animation yet. What a plunger. Game object with a capital G, guys, not lowercase. Dot find, open bracket, close bracket, dot animation, dot crossfade. I'll do play for now, forget crossfade. Open bracket, close that off there. Animation name in there, the player name in there, and this is called animation, so animation, and upgrade mode, if that's what I called it. I don't remember the animation names. Yeah, upgrade mode. Save that. Back into Unity. Now watch, this is the problem. As soon as you click U, the GUI will appear before the animation. We don't want that to happen, okay? We're gonna stop that.